Alright, so here's our sign, and as you can see, I've hooked this on here, and this is where we're going to hook our hook from our thing. That's a northeast wind. So that's your layout right there, bam. Push this baby on, bam. It's hooked in there, and now we can lay our lines out. Alright, so first thing I got to turn it on, because this thing is make sure we're going. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and plug her in. I get a red dot. Shows a red dot. That means it's going. I don't know if you can see it or not. The red dot says it's running. And it's blinking dot. Then I'm going to set her back inside the camera case. I'm going to load it up. And this has to twist around here. I don't know if you can see it. Twist here. Twist here. Twist there, twist there. And this side, same thing. The question is, how fucked up is this launch going to be? Oh shit. So that should be good right there. And then we should be able to launch it without any problem. Set it down right there. Alright. Alright, I got the camera on there, I got the hook on, I'm going to walk the kite out, get it balanced out, and then run back. And once I get back there, I got to unhook. First I'm going to hook my leash in, and then I'm going to pull it off of that, slide it onto my spreader bar harness hook, and then we're ready to rock and roll. We're going to go out there and do a little bit of kiteboarding. That's basically a self-launch off of a fixed object. I used another one of my leashes to do it, and now we're going to go do some sweet kiteboarding. Alright, if you like this video, check out some of my other awesome videos on kiteboarding and other interesting water sports at Delray Beach Kiteboarding. Peace out.